Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Freightliner M2 106. Folks, it's a beautiful unit, excellent condition. It's got an ISC 350 horsepower engine with an automatic Allison 6-speed transmission. Folks, I'm going to pop open the hood, take you all the way around the truck, let you hear it run. This unit does have a 24-foot 6 by 102 all steel bed with a universal mounting kit on the back. Folks, as you can see, the engine's in excellent condition with 214,000 miles on it. Folks, I'm gonna fire it up for you, take you out, let you hear it run. As you can see, we do have cruise control, an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission, heated mirrors, engine brake, diff lock, and dump valve. This unit comes with an AM/FM radio and has AC and heat. As you can see, this Cummins runs excellently. I'm going to shut the truck down, give you a full walk around tour of this beautiful truck. As you can see, captain's seat, air ride on the driver's side. Refurb 225 steel rim on the front with excellent 90% tread. Folks, it's tough to see in here, but the front brakes are 90% or better on this unit. Matching front steers, refurbed, chrome tips on it, make it look nice going down the road for you. Excellent tire condition. Folks, this unit does have dual 50-gallon aluminum tanks. We get back to the bed here, you can see diamond plate, 24-foot 6 long, 102 wide, with a rub rail, brand new straps. As you can see, the underside has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. As we get to the rear tires, 40,000 capacity rear, excellent tire condition, almost like new. Brakes and drums look brand new on this unit, folks. Looks like they've just been replaced. Beautiful rim condition. As we get to the back, you can see the universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett, a Princeton, many other brands. As I rotate around here, you can see a Moffett in the background. You can visit us at 99lifts.com. Take a look at our inventory. Hundreds available. Moffetts, Princetons listed on there. We can make a combination package for you. Just give us a call. Take a look at our website. Let us put a package together for you. As I come back to the truck, you can see this bed's in excellent condition. Headache rack has window viewing out the back. Wire mesh. Unit is in phenomenal shape. This is an air ride 40,000 rear with 14,000 front. As you can see, matching tires all the way around, almost like brand new tread. As we come to the front of the truck, it's got a brand new buyer's toolbox ready to come work for you. Dual aluminum tanks. As I get to the front of this truck, folks, I just want to thank you for your time. This is a 2012 Freightliner M2 106, 54,000 gross vehicle weight with an ISC 350 horsepower Cummins 6-speed transmission. 24-foot 6 by 102 steel bed with a rub rail. It's in phenomenal condition, universal mounting kit, 214,000 miles on this unit. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.